The ecstatic rush of manifestation, that feeling of having willed something into existence, is a powerful motivator. It's a validation of your desires, a testament to the power you hold in shaping your own reality. But amidst the initial euphoria, a crucial step often gets overlooked: anchoring your desires in the fertile ground of gratitude. Practicing gratitude after manifestation involves acknowledging and appreciating the fulfillment of your desires with a sense of deep appreciation and joy. It serves as a powerful tool to anchor your manifestations into your reality, strengthen your connection with the universe, and cultivate a mindset of abundance and fulfillment. Expressing gratitude amplifies the positive energy surrounding your manifestations. When you acknowledge and celebrate the realization of your desires, whether big or small, you elevate your vibrational frequency and align more closely with the essence of what you wish to attract into your life. This creates a positive feedback loop that reinforces your belief in the manifestation process. Gratitude fosters a sense of fulfillment and contentment in the present moment. By focusing on what you have already manifested, you shift your attention away from lack or future desires and embrace the abundance that surrounds you. This mindset encourages a deeper appreciation for life's blessings and enhances your overall sense of well-being and happiness. Reflecting on the journey of manifestation and acknowledging the steps taken to achieve your desires reinforces a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. Celebrate the progress made, the lessons learned, and the personal growth experienced along the way. Each manifestation is a testament to your ability to co-create with the universe and align with your highest potential. Gratitude cultivates humility and a sense of interconnectedness with the universe. When you express gratitude for your manifestations, you acknowledge the role of universal forces, divine timing, and the support of others in bringing your desires to fruition. This awareness fosters humility and a deeper appreciation for the interconnected web of life. Practicing gratitude after manifestation encourages generosity and a spirit of giving. When you experience the abundance of your desires, you are more inclined to share your blessings with others. Whether through acts of kindness, charitable giving, or sharing your knowledge and experiences, your gratitude inspires positive actions that contribute to the well-being of others and create a ripple effect of positivity. Gratitude reinforces positive beliefs and expectations for future manifestations. By acknowledging and celebrating your successes, you strengthen your belief in the abundance of the universe and your ability to manifest your desires. This positive mindset attracts more opportunities and experiences aligned with your intentions, creating a continuous flow of abundance in your life. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine anchors your manifestations into your reality. Create a gratitude practice that resonates with you, such as keeping a gratitude journal, practicing mindfulness, or expressing thanks through prayer or meditation. Consistently acknowledge and appreciate the manifestations in your life, both big and small, to maintain a positive and abundant mindset. Overall, gratitude after manifestation is a transformative practice that deepens your connection with the universe, enhances your sense of fulfillment, and amplifies the positive energy surrounding your desires. By anchoring your manifestations with gratitude, you align more closely with the essence of your intentions. Moreover, gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what you have received. It cultivates a positive mindset by highlighting the blessings and opportunities that have manifested, encouraging you to see the goodness in your life beyond the specific desires you set out to achieve. Reflecting on the journey of manifestation with gratitude allows you to appreciate the lessons learned and the personal growth experienced along the way. Each manifestation represents not only the fulfillment of a desire, but also a testament to your ability to co-create with the universe and manifest your intentions into reality. Gratitude fosters humility and a sense of interconnectedness with others and the world around you. As you express gratitude for your manifestations, you recognize the support of others, the guidance of mentors, and the opportunities provided by circumstances. This awareness fosters a deeper appreciation for the interconnected web of life and encourages acts of kindness and generosity. Incorporating gratitude into your daily life through rituals such as journaling, meditation, or prayer helps anchor your manifestations. By consistently acknowledging and appreciating what you have manifested, you maintain a positive vibrational frequency that attracts more abundance and opportunities aligned with your intentions. Gratitude after manifestation also sets the stage for future manifestations. By affirming your belief in the abundance of the universe and your ability to manifest your desires, you create a fertile ground for continued growth and achievement. This positive mindset opens the door to new possibilities and experiences that align with your evolving goals and aspirations. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good afterthought. It's the invisible root system that nourishes your manifestations. It fosters a state of receptivity, aligning your energy with the abundance you've called forth. By expressing thankfulness, you acknowledge the presence of what you desire, even if it hasn't fully materialized yet. This sets in motion a powerful energetic current, attracting the fulfillment of your wishes. Think of the universe as a vast ocean of energy, teeming with possibilities. Your desires are like seeds you cast into this ocean. Gratitude acts like sunshine and water, vital elements that nurture those seeds into fruition. Without gratitude, your desires may float aimlessly, untethered to the fertile ground of fulfillment. Here's how cultivating gratitude after manifestation can significantly enhance the manifestation process. 1. Appreciation breeds trust. The act of expressing gratitude reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest. It whispers to the universe, "I trust that what I desire is on its way." This unwavering trust is a magnet that draws your desires closer. When doubt creeps in, gratitude serves as a powerful antidote, reminding you of your past successes and solidifying your faith in the manifestation process. 2. Shifting your focus from lack to abundance. Gratitude naturally shifts your focus from what you lack to the abundance that already exists in your life. By appreciating the good things you already have, big or small, you signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more. This feeling of contentment creates a vibrational match for your desires, attracting them into your reality with a powerful force. 3. Dissolving resistance and blockages. Often, hidden pockets of resistance can impede the manifestation process. These resistances can stem from past experiences, limiting beliefs, or even a subconscious fear of receiving what you desire. Gratitude acts as a solvent, dissolving these blockages and creating a clear pathway for your manifestations to flow through. 4. Cultivating joy and openness. Gratitude is a wellspring of joy. When you express thankfulness for your desires, even before they fully materialize, you cultivate a sense of joy and anticipation. This positive emotional state is highly attractive to the universe, further propelling your manifestations forward. Integrating gratitude into your manifestation practice. Now that you understand the power of gratitude, let's explore how to integrate it seamlessly into your manifestation practice. Gratitude journaling. Dedicate a few minutes each day to writing down things you're grateful for, specifically related to your desires. Express thanks for the positive progress you've made, the opportunities that are unfolding, and the unwavering faith you have in the manifestation process. Gratitude meditation. Take some quiet time to meditate on your desires. Visualize them coming to fruition, and silently express gratitude for their presence in your life. Feel the joy and abundance that come with receiving your wishes. Gratitude affirmations. Craft affirmations that weave gratitude into the fabric of your desires. For example, instead of simply saying, "I am abundant," you could say, "I am filled with gratitude for the abundance that flows into my life." Daily appreciation rituals. Find small ways to express gratitude throughout your day. Perhaps it's taking a moment to appreciate a beautiful sunrise, savoring a delicious meal, or simply thanking a loved one for their presence. These everyday acts of appreciation cultivate an ongoing current of gratitude that strengthens your manifestation practice. Remember, gratitude is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when expressing thanks feels effortless, and other days when it requires a conscious effort. But by consistently nurturing the seeds of gratitude, you create a fertile ground for your desires to blossom and flourish. Embrace the power of appreciation and watch your manifestations come alive with renewed vibrancy and grace.